Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 8949 and Schedule D. First, gather all your investment statements, including Form 1099B, which reports sales of stocks and other securities. These forms are crucial for reporting capital gains and losses from the sale of assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Understanding how to properly categorize your transactions is key to accurate tax, reporting, and avoiding potential issues with the Internal Revenue Service. Now, let's dive into Form 8949. You'll need to list each sale of capital assets, categorizing them as either short-term or long-term. Short-term assets are those held for 1 year or less, while long-term assets are held for more than 1 year. For each transaction, enter the description of the property, the date acquired, the date sold, the sales price, and your cost or other basis. Don't forget to include any adjustment codes if applicable. Once Form 8949 is complete, the totals flow directly to Schedule D. This form acts as a summary, combining all your short-term and long-term capital gains and losses. You'll calculate your net gain or loss for both categories. For example, if you have a net capital loss, you can deduct up to $3,000 against other income, carrying forward any excess to future years. This final figure is then reported on your main tax return, Form 1040. To ensure a smooth filing process, always keep meticulous records of all your investment transactions. This includes purchase and sale confirmations and any statements from your brokerage. If you have complex situations, such as wash sales or non-covered securities, consider seeking advice from a qualified tax professional. Taking the time to double-check all your entries can save you from potential headaches and ensure you're reporting your capital gains and losses correctly to the Internal Revenue Service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.